Hi friends, welcome to MK Softech. This is Mahesh Kumar. In this session, we are going to learn about iterative statements in C programming language. So firstly, what is iterative statement? Iterative statement is nothing but set of statements are executed if the condition satisfied until the condition satisfied. Okay. So it is also known as a loop statement, and in C programming language we have for, while, do while. These are all comes under iterative statements and also known as a loop statement. So firstly, for loop. So for loop is nothing but set of statements are executed, set of statements are repeatedly done if the condition satisfied. Means it execute the condition repeatedly. Okay. So it has two cases. Case 1 for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Okay. And case 2 for initialization, condition, statement, increment or decrement. We have two cases in for loop, and these are all syntax. Example, so this is documentation section. I want to print natural numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10. So I want to write a liquid section as include stdio.h int. This is main section, int main, and after that I want to declare a variable I and initializing a value 1. Okay, here I am writing the loop, for loop. So for I equal to 1, this is initialization, and the condition is nothing but I less than or equal to 10, and implementation I plus plus. Okay. So here the statement, I want to print a statement, print f of %d I, and it will goes to print. Here the value prints 1 to 10. So I will explain a working rule for this program. So firstly, you see a working rule: I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4, I equal to 5, up to 7. So firstly, I equal to 1, so I less than or equal to 10, so I equal to 1, the condition 1 less than or equal to 10. This true or false? Yes, because true. Why I less than or equal to 10 means 1 less than or equal to 10. 1 less than 10, yeah. So that's why it will goes to print 1, and it will incremented as 1 plus plus, means it will incremented as 2. So it will goes to here. Okay, and again it will checks 2 less than or equal to 10, yes, and so it is true. So that's why it will print as 2. So 1, 2, and after that it will goes to I equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 10, yes, it will print here, and again 4 less than or equal to 10, yeah, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 7, 5 less than or equal to 10, yes, it will do prints 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 less than or equal to 10, yes, it will do. And after that 11 less than or equal to 10, no, it will not satisfy. Up to 10 we have satisfied. So that's why it will prints 1 to 10. Okay. So my aim is to print a natural number 1 to 10. Okay. So it will print 1 to 10 only, not a 11 to 20. Okay. So this I will explain a flowchart based on this program. So firstly, what we have, a start. So every flowchart or pseudocode we have start and stop statements. So here you see, firstly I want to initialize value, but in this case I will write the initialization in the. So here I equal to 1, initialization I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to 10, this condition, and after that I incremented I plus plus, and it has true and it has false. We have two statements, two conditions, true or false. So after that it will goes to print the statement, print f of %d I. Okay, and if I, it will check I less than 1 means 1 less than or equal to 10, yes, it will goes to print, and again it will goes to true. It will again rotating, it is satisfied, then it will goes to here. After up to 10 it will rotated, and after the completion of this means after not satisfied, 11 less than or equal to 10 not satisfied, so it will goes to false and it will print stop. So this is about a flow chart for loop. So nothing else. You see, firstly I equal to 1 less than or equal to 10, yes, it will goes to print, and again it will rotate here, incremented, and again it will repeatedly done until the condition satisfies. Okay, so the set of statements are executed repeatedly done until the condition satisfies. If the condition not satisfies, it goes to the false and it goes to stop. Okay, this is about a flow chart. And the another case we write I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, printf %d I and directly I plus plus. This is also another case, but we use mostly case 1 only. Okay. Second one is while loop. So it is nothing but it checks and execute the statement. Checks and execute the statement. So the syntax for while loop is syntax initialization, while condition, and after that set of statements. Okay, here incrementation or decrementation. This is about syntax for while loop. And the example, directly I am writing I equal to 1, same example, while I less than or equal to 10, statement print f %d I and incrementation I plus. Okay, and the flowchart for this while loop. So firstly start, and it will goes to the initialization I equal to 1, and it will goes to the condition. Condition must write in the rhombus. Okay, I less than or equal to 10. It has true and also false. If the condition satisfies, it will go to true. Otherwise, it will go to false. So what we have, condition satisfies, it will go to the statement. Statement is nothing but printf this. Okay. After that, it will go to incrementation, and again it will go to means I value, it goes to here. After incrementation, it will goes to I value 2, and it will goes to check again, and it will goes to print here, it will goes to run. Otherwise it will not satisfy, then it will goes to stop. So once check it is, firstly start, if I equal to 1, I1, it goes to check the condition, I less than or equal to 10, yes 2. It will goes to the statement is nothing but printf %d I. So it will goes to print 1, it will print 1, and it will increment it as 2, it goes to here, I equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes. It goes to true, and again it will print as 2. Like that, it will goes until the condition satisfies. So 10 less than or equal to 10? Yes. After 10, we have 11. 11 less than or equal to 10? No. It will goes to print as stop. So this is the output for this program. Okay. After that, do while. So do while. So do while is also nothing but it checks and executes the statement. But if the statement executed, the body of the loop executes only once if the condition satisfies or may not be satisfied. Okay. So the syntax for while loop is initialization, while do, here the statement, and directly we write here implementation or decrementation, and here we write condition, while condition. So this is about a syntax for while loop, do while loop, and I am writing an example, the same program. I equal to 1, after initialization write do, and here print f of %d I, and after that incrementation, here condition, while condition is nothing but I less than or equal to 10. So this is about program for do while loop, and the flowchart. Start. After that we have initialization. Initialization I equal to 1, and after that it will goes to the statement. What is the statement? Printf %d 1 I. Next after that, and incrementation, it goes to increment, and after that it will goes to the condition while I less than or equal to 10. Okay. After means here after incrementation it will goes to what is that supposed to see? Start. Directly I will start, and after initialization and it will prints. Okay, and again it will goes to incremented, and it will check. Like you see, start I equal to 1 printf, and after that it will check the condition, that is I less than or while I less than or equal to 10. Okay, it will ask two statements, true or false. So if it is true, it will goes to incremented I plus plus, and it will goes to here, and otherwise it will goes to stop. Okay, this is flowchart for this do while loop. Okay, so once again I am explaining. Every flowchart or pseudocode we have start and stop and operations. So the firstly start, and again initialization it will prints. Okay, initialization it will prints, and after that it will checks. Okay, it will checks, after that it is implemented, again it will done till the condition satisfies. After it does not satisfy, then it will goes to stop. This is about a do while loop. So friends, please like the video, subscribe the video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.